Hello everyone, this is our session 2 of chapter 1. In last session we learned what is computer, what are the different parts of computer, applications of computer and IPO cycle. In this one we are going to learn the different properties or features or characteristics of a computer. So let's see what is first property or what is first characteristic or what is first feature of a computer. The first one, that is computer works very fast. That means it can solve a given calculation very short span of a time. That means it will not take more time to calculate any simple or complex calculation. So this is first property or this is first feature of a computer. So let's see what is second one. The second one, computer never gets bored because it is a machine, so it is one non-living thing, so it will not get bored, tired. It will work for continuously to you people. Okay, so this is what a second property or feature of a computer. Then this after, what is next feature of a computer? Computer is always accurate. That means it will not make any mistake. Okay, or it doesn't make any mistake. It works or it complete given task without any mistake. That means there is accuracy in work. Okay, this is a third feature of a computer. Then what is fourth one? Is able to store a large amount of data. That means you can store here large amount of data, okay, in its memory, and it do not forget whatever you stored or whatever you saved, it will not erase. Okay, that means after a long time you can retry or you can get that data which is stored in its memory or which is stored in computer memory. Okay, and huge amount of data can be stored in computer memory. Then it do not eat like any living thing, it do not drink like a living thing, it require only electricity. Okay, it works on electricity. What is the food of computer? That is electricity. It require electricity to run. Okay, if there is no any electricity, it will not work for you, so you must assign or you must give this food to computer. What is that? Electricity. It is very important to run, to activate. Okay, so what these are some features or properties of a computer. Now this after, what is the next one? Now in this point we're going to learn what are major components of a computer and what these are: hardware and software. So these are major components of a computer. Means computer is made up of what? Hardware and software. So what is hardware? Hardware is a visible thing, okay, which we can see, we can touch. Okay, that means the visible components of a computer are called hardwares. Okay, and what about software? Software means what? The invisible components, okay, which we cannot touch but we can use it, we can feel them. Okay, so these things are called, or these components are called software. Okay, so let's see one more time. Here you have a small activity which you have to solve. What is that? It is a picture of computer and you have to write in these boxes what a computer is made up of. Recently I taught these points to you people. You have to write what these are, you have to write in these boxes. Okay, then let's see in detail what is hardware. We know that the visible components of a computer are the parts which we can see and touch. These things are called, or these parts are called what? Hardwares. Okay, in which input devices are there, output devices are there, and some processing devices are there. Okay, so what these are the examples of what a hardware. Okay, now let's see some examples of hardware: keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor. What these are? These are the hardwares of computer. Okay, these are hardwares of computer. We can see, we can touch. Like you want to type your name, then you can easily type it using what? A keyboard, because this is visible component of a computer and we can easily see, we can touch it. Okay, what about monitor? You can see pictures, it is visible. Okay, so these things are called what? A hardware. Okay, now we have to learn what some parts of computer, hardware parts of a computer, in which input devices are there, system unit is there, and output devices are there. Okay, so let's see first input devices means hardwares. Okay, input hardwares. the hardwares which are used to feed the data, these hardwares are called input hardwares or input devices. Okay, so here we have input devices, and the first input device, that is keyboard. We all are familiar with this part of a computer. We all are familiar with this part of a computer. It is a hardware input device, and that is keyboard. We all are familiar with this part of a computer, and that is keyboard. It is a hardware. Okay, why it is called hardware? Because it is visible component of a computer, so we can use it to type, to write. Okay, and here we have some types of water keyboards. It is QWERTY keyboard, laser projection keyboard, laptop keyboard, wireless keyboard. So what these are the different types of keyboard, and this type of input device is used to type what the text letters. Okay, then this after our next hardware input device is mouse. We all are familiar with this one also. This is a very important part of computer, that is mouse, and it is handheld device. Why it is called handheld device? Because this part of a computer is used to move mouse pointer on screen. Okay, and for that we use our left or right hand to operate. Okay, and here we have some types of what a mouse. Okay, what these are? It is a trackball mouse. Sometimes it is called what mechanical mouse, because it has what a roller ball. Okay, and it control what the coordinates on screen to control the mouse pointer. Then we have an optical mouse. Okay, generally we use it, it has a wire. Okay, and this is wireless optical mouse. We can say wireless optical mouse. Why this mouse is called optical mouse? Because it uses what a laser. Okay, instead of what a trackball, or instead of this roller. Okay, and what about wireless? Okay, this type of mouse don't have any kind of what a cable. Okay, it work without cable, and it has what laser beam, or it has a laser. Okay, it control what a mouse point coordinate. Okay, using laser. Understand? The next input device, that is scanner. Scanner is used to convert hard copy into soft copy. That means you want to turn any printed copy into soft copy, then you can use this part of a computer. Name of that part is a scanner. Okay, all scanners are not used to convert hard copies into soft copies. Some of the scanners are used to scan what barcode or QR code. Okay, to read what hidden details. Okay, so here we have what some different types of scanners, and which first one, that is flatbed scanner. Generally it is used everywhere to convert hard copies into soft copies. We have a sheet feed scanner. At the same time, if you want to convert what a multiple hard copies into soft copies, then you can assign work, okay, to that printer. At a time it will convert all printed sheet into soft copies. The next one, that is handheld scanner. This handheld scanner is used to read what the details by scanning what a barcode or QR code. Okay, then this after, what is next one, that is camera. It is also what a input device. Camera, it is used to capture what the live images. Okay, and convert these images into digital form. This is the main purpose of what a camera. And so many different types of cameras are there, in which web camera is there, CCTV camera, spy camera, inbuilt laptop camera. Okay, by using those cameras you can capture what the images. Also you can record videos. Okay, and according to what these types functions are different. Okay, so web camera, it is used for chatting, for live session. Inbuilt laptop camera, it is inbuilt with the laptop. You not need to install it separately. Using this you can capture what images you can take snap, or you can use it for recording, you can use it for charting. Then CCT camera, CCT it stands for closed circuit television. It is used for monitoring, it is used for security purpose. Then spy camera, it is also used for security purpose. Okay, so what these are some different types of cams. Okay, this after what is the next one, it is a touchpad. Okay, it is there with or it is there for what, a lappy or for laptop. Okay, that means here a trackball or mouse is replaced with a touch pad or touch surface. Using this you can control what the mouse pointer. Nowadays it is available for keyboards also. Okay, there is a separate section for touchpad on keyboard. Using this you can control what, the mouse pointer on screen. Okay, then this after what is next one, a graphics tablet. That means touch screen. Okay, that means you not need to use here a separate touchpad or mouse. You can use screen of graphics tablet as a input device to control what, mouse pointer. Okay, that means the graphics tablets comes with what, a touch screen. You not need to install or you not need to add any external device to control mouse pointer. Okay, it is used to draw pictures, for a digital signature. Okay, and for other work. Then next, biometric. It is an attendance system that is used to take the attendance of employees or pupils. Okay, in schools, offices, it is used for attendance. Okay, and there are different types of what, biometrics, in which fingerprint attendance is there, then face scan attendance is there. Using this you can enroll your attendance. Okay, so this is biometric machine, you can see here. Okay, and this is an input device. Okay, that means here you have to feed your details to enroll your today's attendance. You can use your fingerprint or you can use your face to enroll your attendance. That means here we feed data to enroll attendance. Okay, now this after what is the next input device, this after our next input device, that is microphone. We all are familiar with this one. If you want to send your voice, okay, to computer, or you want to make it louder, or you want to store it, then we use the word microphone. Like you want to record your voice by switching word slides, or you want to prepare a presentation with your voice. Okay, then you can use this type of word input device. And what is the name of this one? It is microphone. Okay, and here we have different types of microphone. Simple microphone, there's only microphone, no any other device. Okay, the next one, headphone with the inbuilt microphone. That means while listening what your voice you want to record it, or while listening you want to talk with others, and we use this type of headphone. Means for chatting we use this type of headphone. The next one, web camera with inbuilt microphone. While chatting or while virtual communication, you want to talk, you want to chat, then you can use what, a web camera with inbuilt microphone. So what these are the input devices, means hardware input devices, or these are what the hardwares. Okay, which falls under which category? Which falls under input category. Means these hardwares are used to feed the data. This means these hardwares are used to input the data. So which different input devices we learn now? First one, keyboard, then mouse, scanner, camera, microphone, biometric attendance machine. What these are the different input devices, and these devices are used to feed the data. Okay, understand everyone?